Are you tired of the same old milk and cereal for breakfast day in and day out? Are you starting each day trying to find that perfect coffee recipe, but all you're ending up with is a whole latte disappointment? Then let me show you 5 unique ways to use milk. Start your day off right by feeding your body what it needs most in the morning, caffeine. But this ain't your mama's coffee recipe. How about trying Korean instant coffee ice cream? Simply dissolve 1 pack of instant coffee, add nutritious milk, pour back into the coffee sleeve and freeze. Not only is this recipe super easy, it's portable, fun to eat, and full of the nutritious calcium. Delicious and refreshing. Oh, I'm getting a little bit hungry. I know what we can have for lunch. To the kitchen. Milk isn't just for drinking. Need a quick meal in 3 minutes or less? Then simply heat up some 3-minute curry and add a splash of milk. The result is a creamy and rich curry that will appease even the pickiest of eaters. Nobody will ever guess what the secret ingredient is. Have a sweet tooth? Take your favorite snack cookie for a swim. Simply drop a cookie into a cup of ice cold milk and let it chill for a few minutes. Cookies and milk make the perfect duo. You can't have one without the other. Well, you could, but why would you? Next up, milk ramyun. Take your favorite instant noodles for a trip down Flavor Alley. Simply cook up your favorite noodles as instructed and then add the secret ingredient, a big splash of nutritious milk. Yum. Mmm. Banana milk soju. After a long, hard day, there's only one thing left to do, and that is to enjoy some adult beverages. Luckily, I have the perfect combination. We have a little bit of soju, 3 parts soju, 7 parts banana milk. For that perfect ratio. As you say in Korean, konbae.